Hi, my name's Caleb Steuber with PTX, and I want to talk today about our new IRHD, which is individual row hydraulic downforce from John Deere, but controlling it with a 2020. And so with this, the thought process here is this system has been available since around 2014, and every year kind of more and more being introduced into the market. Well, in those time periods, there's a lot of planters that have they're wore out. A lot of these that have these systems are very expensive to fix wear parts, and instead of maybe replacing those components, it's time to retrofit and update some of the drive systems, seating controls, things like that. And so on this MaxEmerge 5 row unit that we have here, this has been retrofitted with a V-drive, V-set meter, but then it also had a John Deere IRHD system on it. Well, that system was functioning really well and not worn out. And so we're able to reuse these components by plugging them in with our same harnessing that's already on the planter that we retrofitted with the V-drive system, and I can now control this with the 2020 in the cab. Along with this system is a new fold box where we can kind of decouple the whole planter controls from the John Deere monitor, which would be a big one is the fold box, right? A lot of them fold through the monitor. That fold box also includes harnessing for things like the CCS agitator, the active markers, different components like that. And so this allows a grower to come in, retrofit the parts that need to be retrofitted, but yet also keep using parts that work well, that were expensive. And so just another way that we're trying to meet growers where they're at, allow them to plant better, get their systems working, but yet, like I said, keep reusing components. And so you can find more information on this at precisionplanting.com, and thank you guys for listening.